bring on stage the man behind the entire show, Mr. Anuj. He's the founder and CEO of the WAF Group. And I would like to invite him as the founder and CEO, and I would like to take you to the journey of the World Auto Forum. I would also like to invite him as a multidisciplinary professional, founded the World Auto Forum WAF in 2009, armed with an engineering degree from Nagpur University, an MBA from IIT Delhi, an LLB from Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. He's been pivotal in establishing WAF as the leading global platform for the auto and mobility industry. Anuj has also seniorly partnered at the boutique M&A firm called WAF Ventures. He's also the co-founder of CarPhD.com, Gaadi Ka Asli Report Card. He's also the author of the acclaimed book Oye Hoye, and let me mention one more feather in his cap. That is, Oye Hoye is a #1 bestseller in humor category and also the official book on nostalgia for IIT Delhi Alumni Association. Ladies and gentlemen, isn't that wonderful? And isn't the man wonderful himself? Let's put our hands together to welcome him on this beautiful Saturday morning. The claps are very meek. Yes, thank you. Over to you, sir.
Thanks a ton, Deepti. And a big welcome, a warm welcome to each one of you on a Saturday morning to the 10th edition of IVAS. दोस्तों, जब पहला IVAS शुरू किया था, 9 साल पहले लगा था पता नहीं कितनी बार होगा, अगले साल होगा भी नहीं होगा, but 10th IVAS आ गया, पता ही नहीं चला. So let's see how long this legacy can continue. So in fact, personally, I feel that we would like to see that this can go beyond us. You know, if it can really go on and on and on, because it gets the industry together, it gets the suppliers, the vendors, the dealers, the OEMs, the independent aftermarket, everybody together end to end. That's the best part. So वो normally इतना नहीं देखा जाता है, and in fact, ironically, in 2015 when we started IVAS, we thought, there'll be many other programs on this theme, but surprisingly, ironically, even now there is no other program. So we need, in fact, on the contrary, I would say we need more programs on vehicle after sales and service, because this is what keeps the wheels moving of the industry, of the economy. So with that, I'd like to welcome all of you. And before we begin, so can I just request all of you to please take out your phones? Those who have not taken out their phones, I can see a lot of people with the phones. So if you can just take out your phone on any device and just Google World Auto News. If you can please Google World Auto News on your devices, please. विश्व की automotive खबरें, World Auto News. So what do you see as the first result? The first result, it's WAF. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Now, can you also Google Auto Think Tank? Because Auto Think Tank is a query, is a search keyword which a lot of governments around the world, a lot of think tanks around the world, industry people around the world, they Googled to get to know what's happening in the industry, what are the think tanks talking about. If you Google Auto Think Tank, which is the first result, WAF. Thank you so much. Now, one last keyword. We have been doing awards for last 11 years. IIT Delhi is a research partner. हमने आज तक एक भी award बेचा नहीं. छाती ठोक के कहते हैं stage से. And I challenge how many people can say that who give awards. In fact, car PhD awards भी है शाम को 4:30 बजे. All the car makers have confirmed their participation, एक आध को छोड़ के. A lot of the PR agencies called us, our team, is this award editorial or marketing? So they were bewildered. What does this question mean? They asked me. I said, even I don't know. I've reached out to a few mentors. What does this mean? Is this award editorial or marketing? अरे वो पूछ रहे हैं award दे रहा है कि बेच रहा है. So I said, hey, we have worked with OEMs, for so long. अगर ये सब काम करने होते तो नौकरी करते ना, यहाँ पे क्यों आते? तो मैं कहा उनको बोल दो, अवार्ड ना कभी बेचा था, ना बेचा है, ना बेचेंगे. So can you please Google Auto Awards? What is the first result? And in fact, IIT Delhi is our research partner for the WAF Awards. So ये थी promotion. Thank you very much. Now let's straight away go to our website. So this is where you find the leading auto news stories from around the world. PTI, Reuters are our partners, and also when the auto companies. अच्छा, by the way, auto awards का क्या था result? वो तो पूछना रह गया. WAF. Thank you so much, Asta. So auto awards भी, so many awards happen, dozens of awards happen. But आप अगर auto awards भी Google करेंगे, auto awards 2024 Google करेंगे तो सबसे पहला लिंक है 11th World Auto Forum Awards. तो समथिंग समवेयर आवर टीम इज डूइंग राइट. सो हम ये सोच के खुश हो जाते हैं. खुश होने में क्या रखा है भाई, खुश रहना चाहिए वैसे भी. सो दिस इज वेयर आवर ऑटो न्यूज इज. दिस इज आवर मेन होम पेज. अच्छा, अब रतन टाटा जी आए गए हैं तो क्यों ना सब एक मिनट अगर हम इनको याद कर लें, रतन टाटा जी को. If I can just request everyone to just please stand up and just with eyes closed, just pray for this legend. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much. ये हम programs करते रहते हैं. This was the WAF Sunday brunch. So this year we had celebrated 15 years of World Auto Forum. So we invited the industry captains and we told them to please come with their spouses. कि अकेले मत आ जाना, वरना वही boring बातें होंगी. We have programs to do all the technical and the work talk. Let's have some different kind of discussions. So this is a beautiful program. We got Shiv Khera Saab for some motivation talk also. It is a great program. This was in February this year. Auto News I've shown you, WAF TV. This is also one of the largest automotive think tank tube. Close to 500 videos are here of our brands, of our annual partners, of top speakers, our association partners, FADA, CIAM, ACMA, आपको सबके videos यहाँ मिलेंगे. Okay, for the people who have registered, there are some people who have registered officially for this program. We are giving them a certificate of participation which you can take from the reception on your way back. Number one. Number two, उसके लिए प्रोग्राम पूरा अटेंड करना पड़ेगा, पर लंच के बाद नहीं मिल जाएगा एकदम. ओके, दैट्स नंबर वन. नंबर टू, यू ऑल्सो गेट एक्सेस टू waf.bz. You can go to it through our website. So there, on invitation, there are more than 300 top industry leaders who have made their profiles there. You can connect with them. It's a paid service, but you just need to send us an email or WhatsApp us on our website. We will give you a complimentary thing for 1 year. वैसे 1 month हम 1 year दे देंगे. Use it and rise in life. ठीक है? And also we have a WAF booth quiz. So you already have questions on your tables. You have to answer them on a sheet, put them in the fish bowl at the reception during lunchtime or tea coffee. Go to the booths and ask them, get the answers, and the lucky winners. In fact, we would say people who answer all the questions right, we will try and get all of them on stage and felicitate, pictures taken, gifts given. Now coming straight away to what we are about to do here, that is IVAS. So we will start with lamp lighting. After that, we will have the first panel discussion. It's on digital. Digital. Digital is the new mantra, yes or no? But how are we harnessing it? Are we still fixated on reaching out to customer on WhatsApp? Or we are going beyond that? What are the innovations? How are we using AI? If we don't use AI, AI will end up using us. So whether we are at the receiving end or whether we are at transforming things, harnessing technologies. In fact, जो car PhD हमने site बनाई है, we have used AI for 1 year. I'll let you know when we reach car PhD awards. So we will talk about digital. Digital के बिना हम अपना घर नहीं चला सकते. We can't run our families without digital. Yes or no? So how can we run our businesses without digital? But in digital, how are we being efficient, using right technology for the right purpose in an effective way? There are lots of filters. Unless those filters and conditions are applied, we might be able to tell the world we are doing very good in digital, but in our hearts of heart, we know we are just doing it for lip service. We have to use digital effectively. We'll be having top leaders here to discuss digital for vehicle after sales. Then we will have a very interesting keynote. You know, this keynote by Nikita Sinha, this theme reminds me of the dialogue from Three Idiots. कामयाबी के पीछे मत भागो, सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो, एक्सीलेंस के पीछे भागो. कामयाबी झक मार के आपके पीछे आएगी. Similarly, profit. Who doesn't need profit? But if you want profit, let's talk about customer delight and productivity. If we focus on these two things, profit can be a side effect. Profit भी झक मार के आपके पीछे आ सकता है. So something similar. So Nikita will decode this for us. Then we will be taking a deep dive in panel 2. It's a very important topic. and this theme gets discussed in very few and rare forums. We are getting the OEMs, the aftermarket, the dealers together for win-win-win. देखिए कस्टमर तो हमारा ही है. अगर वो OEM वर्कशॉप के बाहर जाता है, कस्टमर तो हमारा ही है ना, गाड़ी तो हमारी ही है. तो we have to embrace the aftermarket independent workshops. We have to share things on training on SOP because customer is ours. कस्टमर हमारे पास नहीं आ रहा और हम उसको सपोर्ट भी नहीं करेंगे तो वो वापस भी नहीं आएगा for the repurchase, replacement or additional sale. So let's think long term, let's widen our vision, let's think win-win-win-win-win. And this session will be chaired by our dear Murli sir. Then of course we'll have the keynote 2 by Nippon Paint. So Nippon Paint, दोस्तों, has come up with some very, forward-looking, futuristic, modern, environment-friendly initiatives. आजकल sustainability किसको चाहिए? किसको चाहिए sustainability? सभी को चाहिए? अच्छा किसको नहीं चाहिए? Okay, at least everybody wants on a PowerPoint. देखो, I am sustainable. Yes or no? Sustainability, just like AI, is also the most abused word. Yes or no? Sustainable. बातें बहुत होती हैं. But let's talk action. Let's talk actionable stuff. So Nippon Paint leadership is here to let us know how can we be really sustainable at the most important and critical area, that is workshop. All the chemicals, all the toxins, all the consumables, all the fluids, everything is there. That is the opportunity to be really, truly sustainable. So let's learn from them with a very open mind. And then we'll have the booth quiz, and then we'll have the lunch, keynote 3. शायद एक मंत्री जी आ रहे हैं कीनोट 3 के लिए, अभी कंफर्म नहीं है क्योंकि कई बार स्केड्यूल चेंज हो जाता है. लेट्स सी, लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट. और उसके बाद हम जाएंगे पैनल 3 में, EV आफ्टर सेल सपोर्ट. EV. See, we had this, a lot of people asked us, why do you have a similar sounding theme each year? I said, because it's a very important theme and things are evolving. 2 years back, the discussion which we had on EV, it's there on WAF TV, आपको लगेगा अच्छा ऐसी बातें होती थी EV पे, just in 2 years. Just imagine the pace of transformation in EV. आप 2022 का देखो वीडियो डिस्कशन का, you will feel क्या बातें हो रही हैं, अभी कितना चेंज हो गया. So we need to map this evolution, this transformation, this change, because it's very, very fast. So we'll have a beautiful discussion on EV after sales and customer support, learnings, caveats, and opportunities. And then, of course, we'll have the panel 4. Dhande ki baat. Best practices in workshop profitability and business growth. And our dear Arun Malhotra ji is the session chair here. So, and in a way, धंधे के बाद लास्ट में करते हैं पूरा दिन सब कुछ सीख के. That's how we're looking at it. And then, of course, we have the Hall of Fame ceremony. एक हमारा हॉल ऑफ फेम है दोस्तों वर्ल्ड ऑटो फोरम में. द टॉप लीडर्स, द वेटरन्स हैव बीन इंडक्टेड टू हॉल ऑफ फेम. सो हॉल ऑफ फेम सेरेमनी होगी, उसमें हम 2 लीडिंग ऑटोमोटिव वेटरन्स को इंडक्ट करेंगे इन द ग्लोबल हॉल ऑफ फेम एट वर्ल्ड ऑटो फोरम, एंड दे विल बी इंडक्टेड बाय द प्रेजेंट इंडक्टीज और मेंबर्स ऑफ ग्लोबल हॉल ऑफ फेम एट वर्ल्ड ऑटो फोरम. दैट्स हाउ इट इज. वेरी सिंपल. इट्स लाइक मिस यूनिवर्स ही नेक्स्ट मिस यूनिवर्स को सैशे करती है, समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके. And then we'll have the coffee break and then car PhD awards. This is very exciting. हमने गाड़ियों का असली रिपोर्ट कार्ड बना दिया. We have used AI algos to the extent to the max. We hired teams of ex-Google, ex-Magicpin, ex-Yahoo, got them together कि पूरे इंटरनेट से रेटिंग्स एग्रीगेट करो गाड़ियों की and cull them out. Which are the real ratings, not the ones just made somewhere in the office or blogger's home or somewhere. Real customers, real users. So we gave buzzwords. I sat in the car, I owned the car, I used the car, my cousin's car, my friend's car. They should have experienced the car, or I took a test drive. There should be a first-hand experience with the car. Only then you can rate the car. So those ratings we have culled out. It took us almost a year. And now we have awards based on that. No jury, no nothing. The results are there on the website right now, carphd.com/cars. You can see the list in descending order. So that's how the day is for you. It's a mega packed day, and we will have to keep to our timeline. I'm sorry if I exceeded my timeline. Right? Thank you so much. Thank you.